Okay, hello, how was your day? Remember, my name is Onyedika Maobi from Thimbles Creations. Um, this is a free training on flails, on how to cut your flails, on how to get your radius and cut your flails accurately. Okay, so please, if you are just joining us, um, follow us on Facebook at Thimbles Creations, on Instagram at Thimbles Creations. Please also subscribe to our YouTube channel at Thimbles Creations, and also ask your questions, do comment, and let's know what you feel about whatever we are doing here. Please, again, if you have questions on whatever we have taught, please do well to ask, and we will be in the comment section to answer you. Okay, so today we have talked, okay, all the while we have talked about the 270 degrees play, your 90 degrees play, your 180 degrees play, your 360 degrees play, and your 45 degrees play. So today we will talk about your 720 degrees play and your 1080 degrees play. Your 720 degrees play and your 1080 degrees play. It is just simple. If you know the basics, to do any other kind of play will not be difficult for you. So remember that when we started this class, I told you that a flay is gotten from a circle, and a circle is equal to what? 360 degrees. Okay, so now when we, to get 720 degrees is what? Is two circles. That's 360 plus 360. This is it. Okay, so two circles gives us what? 360 degrees, 260 degrees. So when we do 360 plus 360, it gives us what? 720. Now, how do we achieve this play is our challenge. Okay, so remember that when we started, I told you that the formula for our to get our flay is what? Circumference, is to get our radius is r is equal to circumference over 2 pi. Okay, so r is equal to 25 over 2 times 3.14. okay, so to get the radius of our 720 degrees plane, it is what? R equal to 25 over 2 times 3.14 times 1 over 2. Simple. If you know this formula, you can get your 720 degrees plane with any size. Okay, so 25 times 1 will give us what? R. 20.2 times 3.14 gives us what? 6.28 times 2 gives us what? 12.56. So 25 divided by 12.56 gives us what? Then divided by 12.56 gives us what? 1.99. That's approximately 2 centimeters. So 2 inches, sorry. So it is time to cut it. How do I cut it? I'll get my fabric, rather my paper, and fold it into 2. Okay, and fold it again, just as I want to cut my 360 degrees flay. Okay, now I have gotten this. Okay, then I'll also do the next one. Okay, so I'll also do the next one. So 1.99, I take my measurement. That's almost 2 inches. So take it one. is when you are taking this measurement, always make sure that your tape, the head of your tape is static, it's not moving, so that you get the accurate result. Okay, so I get this, and let's say the length is 3 inches. So from here, yes, this is my number 1. Then number 2, I do same here. Okay, so I connect the lines. And connect this. Okay, so I cut it out. And I cut this too. So now I have gotten two 360 degrees flay, right? This is it. This is number 1 and this is what? Number 2. Okay, I have two 360 degrees flay. So the simple thing to do now is what? To cut this open and cut this open. Then I'll join them together. And I have my 720 degrees flay. Okay, this is it. Have you got it? This is it. Okay, so this is my 720 degrees flay. Okay, so the next flay I'm going to do today is your 1040 degrees flay. Your 1440 degrees flay, sorry. That's the next flay I'm going to do today. Now this one I am not going to illustrate it. I'm going to show you how to do the working, to get the mathematics, to do the mathematics. Then I'm going to give it to you as an assignment to go and do it and bring it and show me. Let me see if you are following what I do here. Okay, so remember that the formula for getting your radius for a full circle is what? R equal to C over 2 pi. Okay, so where our C is what? 25 inches and our pi is 3.14. Okay, so and our 1440 degrees flay is just what? 4 full flays. Okay, that is 360 degrees into 4 places. 360 degrees plus 360 degrees plus 360 degrees. Okay, so when we add 360 plus 360 gives us what? 720 plus this gives us what? 1440 degrees. Okay, so it is just this is just made up of what? 4 circles. Okay, so r, to get our radius for our 1440 degrees flare, it is what? Remember our formula, r equal to c over our formula is c over 2 pi, where c is r is equal to 25 over 2 times 3.14 times 1 over 4 times 1 over 4, okay, times 3.14 times 1 over 4. So 25 times 1 gives us what? 25, while 2.2 times 3.14 gives us what? 6.28. 6.28 times 4 gives us 25 over 2 times 3.14 times 1 over 4. 25 times 1 gives us 25. 2 times 3.14 gives us what? 6.28 times 4 gives us 25.12. So 25 divided by 25.12 gives us 0.99, approximately 1. Okay, so this is what we will use to get our flares. Okay, now for this one, I am not still going to demonstrate it. I want to see you do it. So, but I will just tell you how to do it. First, you know the way you cut your 360 degrees flare. You get your first paper and fold it into 4 equal parts. This is my first paper. I fold it what? Into 4 equal parts. Okay, this is it. This is the first, and this is what? The second. Okay, I fold it what? Into 4 equal parts, and I take it from here, and I measure what? My 0.99, which is what? Almost 1 inches, which is what? Almost 1 inch, sorry. Okay, so okay, which is what? Almost 1. So I take it. Okay, so let's say the length of the flare is 3 inches. I'm assuming it is 3 inches. So this is it. Sorry, this is where 4 lands me. This is it. This is it. This is it. And this is it. Okay, so I'll cut it. So this is what I'll do into 4 places. I'll do exactly this into 4 places. Now I'm going to give you the example so that you go home and try it and with your own fabric, and let me see what you know and what you have learned. Okay, so now I have gotten 1 full flare. Okay, so after getting this into 4 places, I open the 4. Imagine how large the flare will be. I open the 4 and join them. So by the time I finish joining them, you see how the flares will be. Okay, so this is officially the end of our class. I hope you learned something. Please do well to follow us on Facebook at Thimbles Creations and Instagram at Thimbles Creations, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Thimbles Creations. God bless you so much. Thank you for being part of this training. See you some other time. Bye bye.